What's up, Lisa babies?
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be some.
It's me, Renee, and I'm back at it again with another video. I actually have decided today I'm going to give you guys tips and tricks on how to be on time for school, or even if it's not school. But before we get to the video, if you're new to my channel, what's up? My name is Renee. I upload videos on Mondays and Fridays and some Wednesdays. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so that you can become a Lisa baby, because why not? And make sure that your post notification bell is on if you haven't turned it on already. And let's get into it. So like I said, I'm going to be giving you guys tips and tricks on how to be on time. And this is mostly for people who are going back to school, but this could be for you if you're not going back to school and you're going online like me. If you want me to make a separate video for that, I can and most likely will. So the first thing that you need to make sure you have is like an organizer or a calendar or something to have all of your plans, your dates, your times for everything down, because it's a lifesaver. It will help you. Having a little like organizer or something, as you saw in the thumbnail, this is like a little organizer and stuff. This is mainly used for YouTube. I think I might get a different one just because I don't want one for the same thing. I don't want to get everything mixed up. But this is part of what it looks like, and then this is like it has notes and stuff, and then it has like a new little thing for every month, and then like this is the beginning of the month, and then it goes to this, and then it goes to the notes, and then we have this. So just make sure you pick one up at Staples, Office Depot, Walmart, Dollar Tree for $1. I think it's at Target, I'm not sure, but all of those stores, they have some cute ones and they're really cheap. I would suggest you go to Dollar Tree to get one for if you don't want to spend a lot of money on them, or if you want a bigger one, like office stores like Office Depot, Staples, Walmart, department section, all of those. This one, I don't know where it came from, to be honest. This was gifted to me for Christmas, but I don't know where it came from. So the next thing you want to do is make sure you have your morning routine down pat, because once you have it down pat and you know what you need to do, what time you need to do, when you need to wake up, when you need to do this, and you have all your alarms and everything in place, it will be easier to like just get up and do what you need to do, because you know what you need to do, you know what order you need to do it, and you know how much time you have. If you don't know anything, you just get up and just go with the flow, it could be really stressful at times because you don't have a foundation, or you don't have it's not organized. It's just all over the place and it's messy. It's going to catch up to you. You might think, well, I can just get up and go. It's going to catch up to you sooner or later. You're going to miss something, mess something up, or you're going to be late someday. So just have just make sure that your morning routine is packed. My morning routine goes somewhere around the lines of get up, straighten my bed, go to the bathroom, take a bird bath since I took a shower the night before. Bird bath is basically just like freshening yourself up, just cleaning up a little bit, putting on like some lotion, perfume. Sometimes I do that after, but when I do that, I just want to make sure my skin is moisturized after. So just put on all of that. Then I go in with I brush my teeth, then I wash my face, put on Vaseline if I need to. I don't put as much on anymore since I use CeraVe's moisturizing. If you want to check out my morning routine, the link that will be in the description box below. It'll also come in the iCard above, so make sure you check that video out if you want to see and you want to know more about my skin routine. I eat breakfast, then get dressed, get my shoes, and go. Anyways, just make sure that you have your morning routine down packed, because once you get it down packed, you're good to go. Transportation. So if you're a bus rider, you're depending on someone to take you to school. You're depending on them to be early. You're depending on a lot of things. So the traffic, the bus driver you have, the times, the condition of the bus, those are all factors that you want to be good. Like, you want the bus driver to be on time. You want the bus to be in good condition so that it won't break down. You want traffic to be good so that you won't be late to school. But if your parents or someone takes you to school, you really have like more flexible way. Like, you're still depending on someone, but 10 times out of 10, if you're getting up at the same time, they're most likely going to get up at the same time too, and you'll be able to leave the house a little bit earlier so that you won't have to be late if you ride the bus. Because sometimes if you ride the bus, y'all know, sometimes the bus is not good. Sometimes, because one time I remember the bus didn't come at all because we had somebody wasn't our bus driver, but she didn't know that our stuff that she didn't know about, that she had to go further down the road to come to us. So, and sometimes the bus might get pulled, and by pulled I mean another school needs the bus, so you have to ride another bus's route, and that bus already has a route, so it has to come after its route to come get you, or traffic or anything. So I mean, just make sure that you know like your transportation, and like you need to fit your schedule around like your morning routine and everything around that schedule. And you need to know like, because once you get to school and you ride the bus and it's late, it's it, you gotta get to class. So depending on your transportation, I want to also talk about like breakfast and stuff. If you're a bus, like a car ride or something, you can eat at home, or you can go to the McDonald's, Chick-fil-A, whatever you eat in the morning, depending on if you're late or not. If you're a bus rider, you have to eat at home, or you just won't eat at all if you're late to school. So I would suggest you like eat a small snack when you first get up, after you brush your teeth or something, and then like have a little snack ready to go when you're leaving the house, or like have something ready for you. Like just go ahead and eat something while you're at home if you have extra time to chill. That's why I say you should probably get up a little bit early just to have something to eat and have something in your system, because going to school and having to go those first couple of hours without any food. So I had to start eating breakfast because my stomach would be growling. I just would not pay attention because I was hungry. So know your schedule. So this goes with like school. Like when you're at school, the teachers, they usually give you a schedule. They usually give you a rundown of everything, or you can access it through PowerSchool and stuff. Know your schedule, because once you know your schedule, you know like the times, the beginning time, the end time of classes, like how much time you have between switching, and then like how much time you have at your locker. If you go to your locker, it will be easier because you'll be able to like manage and cut down on how much you bring to each class, what you need to bring to each class, how fast you have to walk, how do you have time to mingle after a class, or do you have to just go? Like, do you go, or do you have to pack up a little bit early during the class, or what? You need to know your schedule, because that will really help you, especially the class changing and the locker times. Once you get that down pat, you will be good to go. You will not be late anymore. Like, being late is just over for you. Like, so once I got my down pat, I knew I needed this for this class. I need my gym stuff and this for this class. I need this for this class. And then I can get the rest of my stuff out of my locker at the end of the day. And one thing that did happen to me was I rode the bus at the beginning of the school year. And so we couldn't go to our lockers before going back. Like, we had homeroom, then we had every class, all of the related arts core classes. At the end of the day, we went back to my homeroom, and my homeroom was my last period, which was math. And I could not go to my locker. Like, at first they would let us, but then she changed the line this way because she noticed people were going to the lockers. And like, the first day, I didn't even worry about it, because and so like, when I got my stuff, I couldn't open my box, so I had to get my teacher, and she was helping other people, and it was a whole lot. I had to throw my stuff in there. I got to the bus was packed, and I was like, when did this start happening? It was so crazy. So I said, bump that, I'm going to my locker. I started getting my locker, my book bag. I started leaving my book bag and like hiding it in a spot in the classroom, homeroom, because that bus situation wasn't gonna happen. But I started being a car ready anyways, so didn't matter. But make sure you know your schedule. Get sleep. Need sleep. I can go to sleep at 2, wake up at 5, and be fine. Not everybody can do that. So get your sleep, because that will help you throughout the day, because middle school can be tiring for a lot of people, especially if you have up and down stairs. I was in a magnet program for part of 6th grade, so I didn't have to go to that side of the building where you was up and down, because them stairs was like this, then you turn and then went like that. My sister had to deal with that. I didn't, because I was in a magnet program and we just one hall, so my class was right here, boom. But the rest of my stuff was outside of, but I didn't have to go up and down the stairs. But it can get tiring really fast, so get some sleep. The last thing is morning jam. So get a playlist, instrumental or not instrumental, relaxing or upbeat, whatever gets you going. Play that, because music will do you good in the morning. It will it will just get you your day started. Like, you will be so much more happier and so much more, you know, pumped, if that's what you want to label it as, because I don't know, just me dancing and singing the lyrics and getting ready. It's just a whole another level of girl power. Okay, I feel so much better. I feel like a queen. Like, yes, I feel like a queen without the music. Don't get me wrong, but with the music, I just be jamming, just be like, brush my hair, and go like. But just if you want to listen to music. That's something you could do, because like, why not? Like, why would you not listen to music in the morning? Like, I know a lot of people dread getting up and going to school, so with the music, especially if you have your alarm. My alarm is set. It's on a girl power playlist I listen to on Spotify, and but I changed it to My Future by Billie. Her new song came out. I love that song. It's sad. It's sad. It's like slow at the beginning, but at the end, but like towards like the middle.
That you could
Part like towards 1 minute, it goes a beat, and I just love it. But just find you a song. You can link Spotify. I think you can link iTunes to it. I'm not sure. And Pandora and YouTube Music, all of that stuff can get linked to your alarm, depending on like how your phone is. Get the music going in the morning, because it will make you feel so much better about that day, like the morning when getting ready to go to school. That's all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe button if you haven't hit that already, so that you can become a least baby, because we're queens over here. And make sure that you turn the notification bell on if you haven't done that already, so you get notified when I upload videos. And see you on the next video.